Learn to make handmade soap and skincare safely and effectively using natural ingredients. Craftivity offers a wide range of high-quality soap-making materials and ingredients. We provide pure organic beeswax, carrier oils, essential oils, soap bases for DIY skincare. Medicated cleansers contain acne-fighting ingredients like salicylic acid, sodium sulfacetamide, or benzoyl peroxide, which can help clear up skin while cleaning it. Salicylic acid helps clear blocked pores and reduces swelling and redness. And don't forget, please come to our free class that you can learn about the product from us for your business in future.